So hey guys, if you want to get bone blossom in a grow garden, so here's my little advice for you. So if you've been playing this game for a while, you probably noticed that some flowers are super common, but others like the bone blossom can be a bit harder to find. So first thing first, let's talk about where you need to go. The bone blossom only spawn in the graveyard biome. This area is a little more spooky compared to the others, and it's really the only place where you're going to find this particular flower. Now, if you're wondering how to get there, it's super easy. Just head over to the Biome portals or teleport pads. Usually, you can find them near the spawn area or wherever the main hub is located in your garden. So look for the one labeled graveyard and you can just teleport straight there. If it's locked for you, don't worry. Sometimes you need to unlock it by leveling up, finishing quests, or using some in game currency like coins or gem. So once you're inside the graveyard biome, here's the thing. The bone blossom doesn't spawn constantly. A lot of players have noticed it shows up more often during nighttime in game or when there's some spooky weather happening like fog or storm. So if you're really trying to hunt for it, it's good to spend some wandering around and checking the area, especially during those times. So the bone blossom itself is actually pretty easy to recognize once you know what to look for. It has this very unique bone colored look with glowing tips, so it's definitely stand out from all the other plants around it. But because it's a rare flower, you want to grab it quickly once you see it, since other players might be searching it for too. Okay? So now here's a little extra tip for you. If you want to increase your chances of finding one, you can try planting something called spooky seed. These seed aren't available all the time though. Usually you can get them during special events like Halloween or haunted garden updates. Sometimes they come from haunted team seed packs, or you might even get lucky with a promo code from the game's Discord or social media pages. Occasionally, if your server allows trading, you might be able to trade with other players for them. These spooky seed don't always guarantee a bone blossom, but they definitely give you a better shot compared to regular seed. So just remember though, this game is really about patience and enjoying the process. You don't need to rush it. The bone blossom will eventually show up if you're consistent and just keep playing casually. Compared to other rare flowers like the KD blossom, this one is considered a bit trickier to find. But that's part of what makes it feel so satisfying when you finally get one, right? So yes, I just wanted to share these little tips for you. So if you're also hunting for a rare plants or working on completed your collection, don't stress too much. Just enjoy exploring, planting, and chilling in the game. And eventually, you'll find everything what you're looking for. So thank you, and I hope this helps someone out.